let's see if we can do it.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Suzanne.
We're seniors and we have this list of traditions to finish before we graduate. Can we do it?
Let's go.
It's almost 6 o'clock and we're waiting for the bell to toll.
Ding dong, ding dong.
I thought it was gonna be louder. Next, we headed to the river. We watched some Amtrak trains pass through Fredericksburg and sat on the dock at the riverfront park. After spending some time at the river, we crossed the bridge and walked to Chatham Manor to watch the sun set. We brought a picnic and enjoyed the beautiful views as the sun set. It was definitely worth the walk. We just got back from the great outdoors.
It was such a nice walk to Chatham, but I'm out of breath.
Yeah, it was a long one. Let's check off some things from our list. Check.
Mate.